Welcome to Nia Imagination. Today I will teach you this type of neck design. Over here there is a lace and in between there is another type of lace. For such neck design I need such wide lace or a cloth. You can take a cloth. If you are taking a cloth, you just fold once and twice. Then you can use a cloth in similar manner. And I need such lace. Okay. Now first of all measure length of neck design. My required length of neck design is 6, but I will take 5.5. Take half above. Okay. So after measuring 5.5, I will measure to what extent the length is required to me. I require total 14 inches of length, or you can take total 15 inch of length. Okay. Then keep this lace like this. This should end at this place which I have marked. So turn and keep another end toward the another side and leave small amount of this in middle. Now take this another color of lace, or you can take any cloth as well. So keep this inside. Cut this lace from the mark which we have made. So I have to make this toward the upper side. This, check everything whether everything is at correct place, like in middle, in center of this cloth where I want to make this neck design. Now take thread and needle or insert pins at these all sides so that it will not rush when I am sewing this with the help of sewing machine. After inserting these pins over here or doing rough stitch with the help of thread and needle, just stitch outside of this lace. While coming at this point, fold this once and then stitch it. See, I have stitched this. From back side you can see these stitches like this. I have gone like this and stitched the inner part of this inner lace. Or take such bukram and fold half away in this manner. After folding it, measure length, measure width of required neck. Like I need 6 divided by 2, I need 3 inches. Now after measuring 3 inches, I margin and length of the required neck design and make a round shape. After that, make another round shape after leaving half inches of margin. Now cut this. Now cut this part. This part is required. Keep this neck design over here with help of this part. Iron it. Or if this bukram is not pastable, then you can do rough stitch or insert pins all over here. Now I have ironed it and cut after leaving half inches of margin. Now I kept this on this cloth and measure that it will come and center only. Okay, like this I am measuring. It is alright. Do rough stitch over here or insert pin. I am doing rough stitch like this. For this red carpet neck design, just sew over here at this point. Okay, do not stitch on this part and do not stitch on this part. Okay, stitch over here, all over here with the help of sewing machine. I have stitched this. Okay, then cut toward the inner side. Now make small cuts. Small cut will help to easily turn this neck design toward the back side. So I am removing these rough stitches. Now turn this toward the back side like this. Okay, turn this toward the back side. After turning this toward the back side like this, sew at this point. Sew at this neckline. Okay, sew whole neckline in this manner round. After stitching this part, okay, turn it toward the back side and turn this extra cloth toward the inner side. Now do turpai. Like this, put the thread in and take out. Put the thread in, take out. For turpai in detail you can watch my video how to do turpai and put thread into the needle. I am just demonstrating a small part. Put thread in and take out. In this manner do whole turpai. This red carpet neck design is ready. You can wear this neck design any dress which you can wear on any party. Keep watching Nia Imagination. Please subscribe, like my video. Give me your suggestions. Thank you.